What it is, family?
It's Ming
and James, and today we're about to make our special drum roll Lobster Mac and Cheese.
I'm gonna help prepare the cheese for James. I'm gonna start grating all the cheese.
We're gonna make a very delicious macaroni cheese. I'm gonna use lots of different types of cheeses. Ming loves this mac and cheese. A lot of people love it. I made for a lot of cookouts, made for a lot of things for work. So this should be really cool. And once you guys experience it,
watch me put my foot in this mac and cheese.
I love you like la 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 la.
I'm about to start grating the cheese while James is boiling the water for the macaroni noodles. So I'm gonna start with the mild cheddar. Ah, 10 hours later. I honestly just want to eat it. I love cheese. Yeah, I need a new cheese grater because this is ratchet. But it's getting the job done. It's grating the cheese, right? Am I right? This actually shows you how much cheese we eat because of how broken it is. We actually got this cheese from the special cheese section in Kroger where they actually sell real cheese. They have a really good selection. We love going there for the cheese. We really like using real cheese for our mac and cheese as well. I know that might kind of sound like common sense, but a lot of people don't really use real cheese when they make mac and cheese.
thank you for cutting the cheese. So I'm gonna let that.
Get it? Woo! I cut the cheese already.
Disclaimer: she didn't fart. I would have been dead already.
I'm dead. You're welcome.
Yep. So she cut the cheese for me. So now I'm just gonna put that to the side, and then I'm going to get these noodles in there, and then I'm going to start on the lobster. Now I'm gonna crack these beautiful fellas. Don't know how to crack a tail? Remember, go right at the edge. Crack it right down the middle. Woohoo! Okay. All right. What I do is I like to remove the little shells on top, so it's easy for the lobster to pop on up out. Oh, they're so juicy. So you'll be able to put your hand in there, all right? Okay. Basically trying to get it out of that casing, the protective shell casing. All right. Pull it right out. What I like to do is I like to just cut off the excess. All right, we're gonna do it to the other one. All right, so now I'm gonna split it down the middle so we get that poop out. You don't wanna eat no poop. That's nasty. Salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Old Bay. now we're just gonna dice it down so we get its bits to pieces. I'm gonna scrimp them dealing down over there thawing out. We're gonna make some spinach with it, and I'm about to be ready to drain my macaroni and cheese right here. Now what I like to do while it's draining, I'm going to put some butter in it, and then I'm going to put a little bit of salt, and make sure just make sure you season your noodles. That's where the flavor and the love is. It's in the noodles. Now I'm gonna let those flavors sit in those noodles, soak all that juice up while I cook these lobster bites down, so we can get this macaroni and cheese in the oven. I'm going to put the oven on 350, let that heat up. That's where we're gonna put the macaroni and cheese in the oven and let that cook for 45 to an hour. And those flavors are going to be immaculate. Shrimp is cooking, lobster is done, noodles is done. Now it's time to make the cheese sauce. My cheese sauce is very famous, not so famous, but it is famous. It is delicious. Ow! All right, it's cheese sauce time. Now I'm about to make the most firest, I made my own words, the firest cheese sauce ever. It consists of all the cheeses, milk, whipping cream, any seasonings that you like to add. I'm not telling you my seasonings, because it's a secret. All right, so I put all of my seasonings in there. You can guess what they are, but I ain't gonna tell you because it's my secret recipe. Now I'm going to start adding the cheese. All right, now I'm going to pour the cheese sauce into the pan. Humana, 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 humana.
Look at that cheese sauce.
All right, now I'm going to put the shredded cheese on top. All right, now that everything is put in the pan, I'm about to put this in the oven for an hour. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it covered for 45 minutes and then uncover for 15. Oh!
Back in the oven for 20 minutes. See you soon.
voila!
Oh, it looks so good.
You know how long it took to prepare this for us to eat it? It took a long time.
My mouth is drooling.
Oh, it looks so good.
Try
It
some.
smells good. It looks good. Let's dig in.
Mmm. Guys, this lobster literally just made this dish like 10-star.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. This deserves to be in a restaurant. It is like so good.
Oh my god.
So much love.
And this is not no faking. If you was to taste this,
So hot and perfect and cheesy.
look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Fluffy. It's light, cheesy,
It tastes so seasoned.
very flavorful.
So seasoned. Well, good thing we made a tray of this so we can
Yeah.
eat this for about the whole week.
But
Thanks for making dinner, love. It's so good.
You're welcome. It took some time. This takes definitely some work. But I want to turn this camera off and devour my face. So,
This ain't no mukbang.
this ain't no mukbang. So, thank you for watching. Thank you, babe, for the shred of the cheese because my arm would have been hurting. So hers is going to hurt and not mine's. But we're going to be full off this mac and cheese and it's going to be delicious. And please stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be a great one.
And if you guys have another video in mind of some other dishes that we should be cooking or you guys want to see us cook, let us know in the comments below. And if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure to check us out. Our link will also be in the description below.
And as always,
See you next time.